Step number 14, references, very important. You should be pretty sure about your reference style which you will be using. You will be using you will be using SPSS referencing style, or you will be using Harvard referencing style, Chicago referencing style, or MLA referencing style. Okay, you should be pretty sure which referencing style you should be using. If you are not pretty sure, then you can take help from your base paper or from the format given to you by your research journal. Okay, next we will go. Next is I just mentioned you the reference styles, APA style, ML styles. You can also find references or APA style references, or MLA referencing style, or Chicago referencing style, or Harvard referencing style from Google Scholar. You just have to go open the Google Scholar, type the search paper whose reference you want, search it, then it will show you the research paper. What you have to do then, go the left side down of that article, the inverted commas link, click on that. It will show you inside. When you click on that, it will open the box in which all referencing style found will be given to you, like APA, MLA style, and you can easily find them from there. If you don't know how to generate APA style citations or references, if you don't know how to find references from Google Scholar, then there is nothing to worry about. I have already made a video on it, and I will give its link into the description box. So next is referencing management software. Most famously used is EndNote. You can use EndNote as well. There are more software as well, like Mendeley, ReferenceWorks. There are so many. You can use any one of them. Like this I mentioned.